can't believe this. Look what I've got. One important thing you can't do on this is use a knife because it will damage the material. Now in the box, you get your instructions, you get a thank you, you get a hair clip. Well, I'm practically bald. And they supply this. Now that's ideal because that's not going to damage silicone because it's actually plastic scraper, which is great. First and foremost, when you buy it, you need to wash the surface straight away. And also when you put it down, is to make sure the underneath of the surface is clean. And that then will automatically stick to this then, like that. Look, it just flows out. So what type of things can you use this for? Pastries, bread making, and all sorts of things. The product is easy to clean, it's flexible and foldable, it's tear resistant, and it's non-slip. Ideal for a pastry rolling mat, a countertop mat. If you buy the smaller versions, you can have them as table mats. And of course, arts and crafts. Be careful, no knives are one thing the claimers make. It's non-stick.